Welcome to our channel 1 to Step, where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video I will teach you how to log in into your EasyJet account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel 1 to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to search for EasyJet Login just like this. And after you search for EasyJet Login, the first option where it says sign in, manage booking, easyjet.com. Click on it and make sure it takes you to easyjet.com because that's the official website of EasyJet, so don't go into any scamming website. Alright, now once you're in this page, make sure you're in the sign in section. Now if you don't have an account, you can click on this to create one, but since we want to log in, we already have an account, so make sure in this section over here where it says email, you need to enter the email address of your account over here just like this. And after you enter your email address, where it says password, you need to enter the password of your account. And after you enter the password of your account, you can enter your booking reference over here. After you enter your booking reference, you click on sign in and you should be able to log in into your EasyJet account. And if you forgot your password, you can always click on this to recover it as well. That's how you guys can log in into your EasyJet account. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel 1 to Step. I'll see you guys next time.